See the next question in this exercise, question 5.3.16. A sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 rupees less than the preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So here is the scenario. The school overall has 700 rupees as their budget for the prize distribution, in which they have to include 7 prizes. The first prize obviously is going to be the strongest with the highest denomination, highest value, and the subsequent prizes will be of lesser value. And the scheme has like this one, each subsequent prize is 20 rupees less than the previous prize. So let the first prize be X, the strongest one, and the second prize will be 20 less than that, so X minus 20, and the subsequent prices will be 20 further lesser than the previous value. So that would be X minus 40, X minus 60, X minus 80, and altogether there will be 7 prices. So remember, the school has only 700 rupees for this particular category, for this particular competition. So the summation, the addition of the total of all these 7 prizes must be equal to 700 rupees. Now, is it a question of arithmetic progression? Yes, because the difference between two successive terms is exactly constant, 20. In this case, negative 20, because the prices are actually decreasing in value. So let's write them down. First term is A, that's X, which we don't know, and that's one of the things which we'll calculate. Number of terms, 7, because there are 7 prices. Common difference is actually people will take 20, but that's not true. It's minus 20, negative 20, because the value is decreasing. So this is very important. The common difference is negative 20. And the sum of 7 first prices is going to be 700, because altogether they must add to 700 rupees. Now let's use the formula for sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. Let's plug in the values and let's see what happens. So 700 is equal to n by 2, which is 7 by 2, twice of the first term x, 7 minus 1, because there are n minus 1 is 7 minus 1, and then d is negative 20. Let us try to substitute, well, transfer this 7 by 2 on the opposite side. So technically we are dividing by 7 by 2, or dividing by a fraction is multiplying by its reciprocal. So rather than dividing by 7 by 2, we will multiply by 2 over 7, which is the flipped version, numerator exchange with denominator. So this would be 2 over 7. So if you simplify this one, that would come out to be 200 equal to 2x minus 120. This negative 120 can be transferred to other side, and that would become 320, and 2x will be, let's say, 320, divide both sides by 2, that will give you 160. So what is the meaning of this thing? Remember, x was the value of the first prize, and the prices they have asked us to find the value of each of the prices. So the first prize is going to be 160, second one will be 20 less than that, so that would be 140, and then we'll continue this scheme for first 7 prizes, and that would be, let's say, how many? Well, we have 7 prizes. Now, if you want to really check, you can add all those things very quickly without calculator. Add the first term with the last term, which is 160 plus 40, that would be 200. Add the second term with the second last term, that's also 140 plus 60, that's 200. So 120 plus 80, third and third last, that would be also 200. So we have 3 pairs of 200, and on top of that we have exactly the middle one, which is 300. So 3 pairs of 200, that will be 600, and on top of that the middle one is 100. So altogether their total is 700. Our answer is 100% correct.